By using a larger roughing bit before your finishing bit, you can dramatically cut carving time on any project that requires multiple passes. The roughing pass quickly removes most of the material and leaves only a thin layer behind, perfect for your finishing bit to clean up and deliver a crisp, high-quality surface. For example, this project is about 1.4 inches deep and uses a 16th-inch carving bit for each pass. At that setting, the carve time is about 3 hours on good quality and roughly 4 hours on best. Now let's see what happens when we add a 1/4 inch roughing bit. The carve time drops to 1 hour and 36 minutes on good and about 2 hours and 20 minutes on best. That is a significant time reduction. The larger the pattern, the bigger the time savings. And because the finishing bit still makes the final pass, your carve quality stays sharp, clean, and precise.